Greetings, interstellar beings. Today, we're journeying through the marvels of a tiny corner in the cosmos, the solar system. It's an intriguing cluster of celestial bodies, each with its own tale to tell. Buckle up as we explore 10 curious facts about this cosmic neighborhood. Our first stop is the Sun. It's not just an ordinary star, but a gigantic nuclear reactor. It's so vast, you could fit 1 million Earths inside it. Yet, it only makes up 0.00002% of the total mass of the Milky Way galaxy. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Right next to the Sun is Mercury, the smallest planet. Despite its proximity to the Sun, it's not the hottest. That title belongs to Venus, its neighbor, where temperatures can reach a scorching 471 degrees Celsius. Talk about a real-life inferno. Speaking of Venus, it's not just the hottest, but also the brightest planet. Its dense cloud cover reflects sunlight, creating a stunning glow visible even from Earth. And yet, beneath that beauty hides a volcanic landscape, a true testament to the duality of nature. Next is the planet you live on, Earth. Home to diverse life forms, it is unique for its life-supporting environment. Earth is the only planet known to have life, thanks to our perfect distance from the Sun and the presence of water in all its forms, liquid, solid, and gas. Its majestic blue oceans cover more than 70% of the surface. Quite a sight to behold, isn't it? We can't talk about Earth without mentioning its satellite, the Moon. It's the 5th largest moon in the solar system. It also has a rare quality, it's tidally locked with Earth, which means we only ever see one side of it. Let's move on to Mars, the red planet. It's called so because its surface contains iron oxide, or rust. But don't be fooled by its barren appearance. It has the tallest volcano and the deepest canyon in the entire solar system. Olympus Mons is a large shield volcano. It is over 21.9 kilometers or 13.6 miles high. Next up, the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. It's so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. And it has a storm, the Great Red Spot, that has been swirling for hundreds of years. Jupiter's so big, it has its own mini-solar system with 79 known moons. Though all of Jupiter's moons are of interest, for in particular stand out, the Galilean satellites. These are Jupiter's largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, and, as their name suggests, they were first spotted by astronomer Galileo Galilei in 1610. But what makes these 4 moons so special, you ask? Ganymede is the solar system's largest moon and the only natural satellite with its own magnetic field and has a thin oxygen atmosphere. Callisto may be hiding a secret. Data from the Galileo program suggests that a salty ocean could be just below its surface. Io is the most volcanically active world in the solar system. Hundreds of volcanoes dot its surface. Lava fountains, dozens of miles high, erupt from some of them. The Voyager spacecrafts flew by Europa in 1979 and scientists got their first hints that the moon's icy surface might be hiding an ocean of liquid water. Ever since, humanity has imagined countless science fiction scenarios for alien life to be thriving on Europa. We then reach Saturn, the most photogenic planet with its iconic rings. Saturn isn't the only planet with rings, but it certainly has the most spectacular ones. They are wide enough to fit between Earth and the Moon. The rings are made of countless particles of ice, dust, and rock, some as small as grains of sand, others as large as mountains. Uranus, often the butt of jokes because of its name, is a gas giant that rotates on its side, perhaps due to a massive collision. It's also unique because it's the only planet that doesn't draw its name from traditional Greco-Roman mythology. Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun, has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of 1,500 miles per hour. It's so far out that it takes sunlight 4 hours to reach it. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of icy bodies including the dwarf planet Pluto. This was only discovered in 1992, showing how much there still is to learn about our solar system. Finally, the Oort cloud, a theoretical cloud of icy bodies that is believed to be the source of long-period comets. It's so remote that light from the sun would take a year to reach it. So, there you have it, 10 curious facts about the solar system. Each planet, moon, and celestial body holds a unique story, painting a picture of the universe's grandeur and diversity. Until our next space adventure, keep exploring, fellow cosmic voyagers. If you enjoyed this journey through the solar system, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel, so you will not miss the next video.